Would you like to get a nice massage gun for free? At the end of the video, I will tell you how you can easily get this. I'm doing a giveaway sponsored by Brad and Bob, this company who gave me this gun as well, to make a video about it. And it's gonna be very easy, much easier than the previous one I asked you to do. Okay, so this is a new version of the gun. So I've got the older one and this is the new one. They kind of very similar. The cases are almost identical. There are marginal differences in the size, but let's say they're identical. Let's look at the guns themselves. The attachments are the same. However, the guns they differ a little bit. So with the size, if we compare the size and the build, as you can see, hopefully they're a little bit different. So the new one is slightly bigger, slightly longer. So if we look at let's say this way, can we see it? Yes. And then this way. So this one is a little bit thicker. The new one's maybe a little bit thicker, a tiny bit longer. No, the same length. However, this one has got this kind of this bulge here, whereas this one doesn't, and it's a bit taller. So the new one has got a bit longer handle. And what it does, it's got bigger battery, and the improvement is quite big. It jumps from 2.5 amps to 4 amps. And also this part of the handle is nicely rounded here, all around this collar here, you could say. So it makes it a little bit easier to hold. Not that this one is not comfortable, but this one is a little bit more comfortable, the new one. It's probably looks a little bit more sleek. So this is a bit more shiny as well. This is more matte. The rubber here is fairly comfortable as well, very similar, I guess. So the other thing that the new one does is it has actually the auto off option. So after 10 minutes it will switch off to save the battery, whereas this one doesn't have that. I think this one is half an hour, so it might get discharged. This one should give you around 2 to 5 hours of runtime, depending on which gear, which is quite a lot. 5 hours, even 2 hours is a lot. It's a lot of massaging. And now, if you already have the old one, probably there is no need to buy the new one. I don't think you'll get any benefit, because all the attachments are the same, functions are the same. It lasts longer, and it's maybe sometimes a little bit more comfortable to hold in some situations, but that's not worth upgrading. But if you are planning to buy a massage gun, Bob and Brad is probably #1 brand. Many people know Bob and Brad from the YouTube channel. Two lovely guys helping people all over the world with various health issues. So do go and buy it. Links below, and the giveaway now. Okay, so to get it, simply, now this is easier. Post a link to this video anywhere you want with a bit of a description, and then in the comments, do not post the link, because YouTube seems to be blocking many links. So don't, just write down, tell me that you have already posted it, and tell me whether it was Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever. And then continue writing and tell me why do you want this massage gun. And if I have multiple entries, I will choose the best description. Someone who wants most will get the gun. Now, as previously, the giveaway is only possible in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, and Australia, simply because that's where the gun is in stock on Amazon. So check on Amazon. If it's in stock, you can get a giveaway. If you're in other locations, well, I might ask the company to send it to you. They might, who knows, but I cannot guarantee that. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.